Hello friends, I hope everybody's doing well. Okay, so in today's video we're going to be reviewing Hipa 2-cycle carburetor adjustment tool here. And they sent it to me in 2 days. I ordered it 2 days ago and they sent it to me. Okay, in this carburetor adjustment kit here, it's a 12-piece. And it's $19.98 plus shipping. So they give you a 90-day guarantee with it, and I'm gonna unpackage it now, and we'll see what all they gave us with it. Okay, so I just wrote down some of the carburetors that the kit covers here. So you got your Zama carburetor, you got your Walbro. So a lot of these brands are gonna have either or whatever they have. Alright, so in the list it does Craftsman, Husqvarna, Steel, Homelight, Weed Eater, Ryobi, Troy-Bilt, and there's a few others. And I'll leave the link to this Hipa toolkit. I'll leave it down in the comments. I'll pin it in the comments, and then you can see the description and everything for yourself, or if you need to order one, you can order one. Alright, so let's unpackage this thing and see what all we got here with this. I think you guys already know me with packages and peeling stickers, and this so far is not too bad yet here. So okay, it comes in a nice package here, and I just rip this plastic off and we'll open it up and see what all we got in here. Might have to get a knife to open this. Maybe, maybe not. Alright, so right now, while I'm unpackaging this, I might as well tell you. Last year, I had a trimmer given to me. It's still in the bag, and I believe it's a Weed Eater. So what we're going to do after I unpackage this, we'll take a look at to see exactly what we got in the kit here. I'll see what all that needs. I don't know what it needs, but if we're lucky enough and it starts up, I'll show you how these tools work here. Okay, so they give you a couple of brushes in here, and they also give you like torch tip cleaners, so you can clean out any ports or juts, I think. I don't know, there's a couple nice brushes here. I don't know, I would have to open this package up and see exactly what's in here. So maybe we'll do that. Oh boy, good luck with this. I hate to snip the plastic here because I'm probably going to want to stick this back into plastic if I can. Okay, yeah. It has some like torch tip cleaners here, and nice brush. A few nice brushes here too. And then we have an Allen key here. I don't know what that fits. Maybe it fits some of the carburetors to get the carburetor, or I don't know. But okay, so I'll just take one out here for now. They seem to be made pretty well. They're pretty good. I would say if Snap-on, I don't know if they make carburetor tools for 2-cycle, I would say this kit probably run you about $100 if you were to buy a Snap-on, you know. But it's made pretty good. I mean, you're not putting that much stress on it. You're adjusting carburetor mixture screws here, so I imagine that, you know, they're made pretty good. So let me pack this in here. All right, so what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna go out to the work table, and we'll see what we got as far as a weed eater or weed whacker or whatever that is, and we'll go ahead and we'll try out one of these adjusting tools here. So what do we have here? I said it was a 12-piece thing. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12. Yeah, it's 12 carburetor adjusting tools. And then they also, like I said, threw in this little kit here, you know, torch tip cleaner and brushes and whatnot. So far I'm happy with it. It seems to be made pretty good. All right, without any further chit chat here, we'll go outside and we'll see what we got as far as a weed whacker goes. I don't know if it's gonna need fuel lines. I don't know anything about it, but we'll go check it out and we'll see if we can get it to run. Okay, so I was mistaken on the trimmer here. This is a Craftsman trimmer. I'll probably do a video on this separate from this, because this is a review on a Hipa carburetor adjusting tool. With this one here, it has this plastic cap on here, and what I normally do is I just pop these caps off, and then you could just simply adjust these with a regular screwdriver. So we can't do anything with this. Now I have this pull-on here. It's a handheld blower, and this is the blower that I use here in the yard. I did do a video on this on this unit here. I replaced the fuel lines on it, and I had to take completely the whole thing apart to replace the fuel lines. And I think I did it a couple of years ago when I first started doing videos. And what we're going to do is I found the right tool here to adjust the carburetor, and I'm going to put some gas in it. We'll start it up, and I'll show you different ways when you adjust this carburetor here. Like the outer screw, there's two screws. There's an inner screw and an outer screw. The outer screw is the high-speed screw, and sometimes you'll get a machine where it'll start up, it'll idle perfect, but as soon as you go to give it throttle, it'll bog down. And what you want to do is you want to take this tool here, and you want to turn the screw, this outer screw, this is the high speed mixture screw. You just want to turn it out a little bit, and 9 out of 10 times it gets rid of that bogging. If it doesn't get rid of the bogging that way, you most likely have an issue with the carburetor. So let me get some fuel in this thing, we'll fire it up, and I'll show you the different ways you can adjust this. I could have picked a bigger thing to get this tool in, but I decided to get the tool in there. I already set the carburetor so it bogs. Counterclockwise. hope you got that. Yeah, it was pretty much in view. Okay, so you noticed when I turned the screw clockwise, it was doing the bogging. And then what I did was, I turned the screw out a little bit. I ran it full throttle, and then I adjusted it. It has that sweet spot, if you will. And as soon as I got to that sweet spot, it had no bogging, and the RPMs ran perfect on it. Okay, so I'm very happy with the Hipa carburetor adjustment tools. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the comments. And I also want to point out, check out the Hipa store. Now, I used a couple of different Hipa carburetors, and a couple of them I did not have to adjust at all. Maybe one or two, I just give it a slight adjustment. I mean, they started right up, right out of the box. They also give you fuel filters. They give you primer bulbs. They give you air filters. They give you a fuel line. I don't know how they could sell these the carburetor kit itself at such a reasonable price. I mean, just to get like a carburetor rebuild kit costs you probably more than it does to buy the whole carburetor with the tune-up kit in it. A couple of my friends did reviews on the carburetors. I haven't seen one fail yet. So I suggest you go to the Hipa store for any carburetor needs, and they do sell other products too. Just go to the Hipa store and you'll see. They used to be Hipa 360, but now it's just the Hipa store. I'll leave you a link, like I said, to the carburetor adjustment tool, which I'm very happy with. I hope this helps somebody out, and I want to thank everybody for watching, and stay safe.